First place can get dos pinyansyones. Second place is La Cucaracha. Like and subscribe. Las Tralalelitas. Third place. Fourth place is Samini Spaderini. Fifth place is Rotini Dragon Protini. Sixth place is Los Jobcitos. Eighth place is La Cucaracha again. Eleventh place is La Vaca Tunitza. And 12th place is Orcalella Orcala. Is 2 mutation. Like and subscribe.